This is FL Production.
DJ 4.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing black smoky eye with glitter. If you wanna know how I achieved this look, please keep watching. I'm gonna start off with APK Primer. This primer is amazing and best for all skin types. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty foundation and I'm going to use one pump and will be mixing with 1 drop of FARSALI and a little bit of GLOTION by Loreal. And going to apply it onto my face. And now I'm going to blend it out with my damp beauty blender. For concealer, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty concealer and I'm going to apply it under an inner corner of my eyes, on my eyelid, bridge of my nose, cupid bow, laugh line, and my chin. And now I'm going to blend it out with the same beauty blender. To set everything in place, I'm gonna use the baking powder by Huda. Now I'm gonna bake my under eyes. If you wanna know the process of baking, please let me know in the comment section below. For the bronzer, I'm gonna take the bronzer by CRAYON. Now I'm gonna bake under my contour line and going to leave it for a few minutes until I get my eye makeup done. Moving on to my eyes, I'm using the eyeshadow palette by CRAYON. I'm going to apply a lighter shade on all over my eyelid. Now I'm gonna take the transition shade and apply it on my crease with a blending brush. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take some dark brown shade and apply it on my crease with the same blending brush. For my eyelid, I'm gonna take the MAC eyeliner and apply it roughly on my eyelid. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna use black eyeshadow on top. Moving on to the black eyeshadow, I'm going to place it on top of the eyeliner. Now I'm gonna apply some glitter. Before I apply any glitter, I'm gonna use glitter glue by Too Faced and going to apply a little bit on all over my eyelid. Moving on to my glitter, I'm going to dab it on with my flat brush. take some more black eyeshadow and dab it onto my crease line. Then I'm gonna take the same blending brush again and going to blend out the edges one more time so it doesn't look harsh. For my waterline, I'm gonna use the CRAYON by Sephora. Also, I'm going to apply it a little bit on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to blend it out with the dark brown shade. To highlight my inner corner, I'm taking the shimmery shade by Juvia's. Now in my inner corner, I'm using the same eyeliner by MAC. I already applied Huda Beauty false eyelashes off camera. Then I'm going back to the MAC eyeliner and create a cat eye effect in my outer corner. For my mascara, I'm using the mascara by Marc Jacob. Now I'm going to sweep off the baking powder. For my blush, I'm using the Sephora blush palette and going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Before I use any highlighter on my high points, I'm gonna use the MAC setting spray first. For the highlight, I'm using the Huda Beauty highlighter. Contour my nose, I'm gonna use the same contour palette. To my lips, I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip pencil. Now I'm going to take the Nude lip gloss by Tarte and going to apply it on my whole lips. Last but not least, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. There you go. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new, please do subscribe to my channel. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.